I'm recording this update out of water. I already did all the changes that I'm going to show you guys on this video. I'm focusing on water quality. This is a tank sample. As you guys can see, it's quite clear. Only some minor solids. What I'm going to show you guys is how I split the biological filter into two. Sump tank now, and this as a biological filter, so I got uh, more room for the pump, more room for solids to actually precipitate, to actually settle on the bottom of the now sump tank. This works only as a biological filter, and I only lost about 10 liters of media that I couldn't fit in this new biological filter. For and I had to clean up uh, the now sump tank because it was quite dirty on the bottom, and did some maintenance as well. For that, I use only, not sure if you guys can see, only 66 liters of water. So yeah, quite economical. Everything else is doing good except this tomato that's dying. I'm going to replace with cherry tomato, like this one right here, and this one. Also gonna be showing a retrofit that I did on this Dutch bucket. I changed the uh, return PVC. This one right here is a 50 mil like all the others, and the last one, the previous one, was a 32 mil. So stick around. Well, I'm doing some changes around here. This biofilter will no longer act as a biofilter. I'll be transferring all the media, all the expanded clay from this bucket to that other bucket over there, and this guy will act as a sump tank and a final settler for the eventual dirt that manages to pass through the rock filter and the radial flow filter. The other bucket has a much simpler design, only one hose in and one hose out. It gets water directly from this uh, bulkhead on the radial flow filter. The water feeds through here from the with this PVC that has holes like a shower head. It sprays down the water into the media, the expanded clay, and this knee connects to a PVC pipe with some cuts on it to allow water in, and connects also to this bulkhead, and then the water flows back directly into the fish tank. So I got more space on that bucket. I can raise the level, raise the water level. This hose right here, this green one, will now act as a uh, level controller if somehow I got blockages on this line here that also has the ultraviolet lamp, the UV filter. This will act as a safety device to allow water backing into the tank. This pump will have easier access to maintenance, so I'll be cleaning it more frequently. This makes my system more reliable in the long run. Well, there are still a few things to be done. I need to replace this pipe here with a 9 degrees knee, like this one right here, so I can raise the water level. But for now, it is how it's going to work. The pump for the aquaponics, for the hydroponics, actually for the NFT, is sitting right here. This allows the pump to uh, pump water only at a certain level, not grabbing dirt from the bottom, not sucking dirt from the bottom. I had a lot of media in that biofilter. There's this bucket here and that bucket full, so yeah, a lot of media, but I will be reusing this one in the future. But so far has been a good maintenance, because there was a lot of dirt on the bottom of that filter. It was really bad, so I can now keep a much cleaner sump tank.
This is the interior of the PVC that returns water from all the Dutch buckets, the 100 ml PVC that sits on the ground. We can see the Dutch buckets pouring water into it. Here there's a little bit of solids and dirt, as well as gravel. So this one here is the first Dutch bucket, the last one that needs its return PVC replaced. I'm going to be replacing with this 50 mil, so from 32 mil for this 50 mil run one right here, and then I'm going to be planting another cherish tomato. Actually, one of those right here.